Hi, this is Mike with Thrive, and welcome to January's SEO Performance Report. Just as we have done in prior months and over the years, we compile several key performance indicators or KPIs, and we do that to keep track of our overall campaign performance, and we do that to keep an eye on the overall disposition and health of the website. So jumping right in, our first key metric is our top 5 keywords. Our top 5 keywords are keywords and queries that are rendering positions 1 through 5, and that's on the first page of the Google search results. Looking at our data for January, we finished at 89, so that is a increase from December at 82, and just about tied for it was 90 in 2020. So still maintaining those high level of keywords and that growth that we experienced back starting in January of 2020. So maintaining that. So that's looking really, really good. Let's take a look at what those keywords are, some of the search volume associated with them in our next screen. I loaded our keyword report here. As you can see, the complete ranking distribution from their first place to our top 3, our top 5, and top 10 and top 20 respectively. A lot of stability, a little bit of gains on the first and top 3. We like to look at our top 5. And as you can see here in the sampling, again, stability. We see, and when we break down the keywords from a branded perspective, we've been maintaining our top positions. We have seen a lot of these pickups here on the knowledge panel throughout various clients going through December and January. That could be a product of the December update and algorithmic updates. But looking at our branded keywords, we maintain our top positions, and that has not changed. And then looking at our non-branded keywords, we did have a small movement of entrance, monument design, and engineering in Texas, moving up 1 position. This actually popped into the search results. This is brand new. If we look here, there's the page of the organic. So we have actually 2 pages that are ranking for that query, the home page, and then the specific screen walls entrance monument page. So outstanding to see are maintaining our top levels, ranking levels for our branded keywords, with a little bit more differentiation with the search results, the type of results, and then some positive movement in the traditional organic space, and thus maintaining all of our other keywords. So looking really, really good to start 2021. Our next key metric is total traffic. Total traffic is measured in sessions, and a session is measured or is a measure of a visitor going to more than 1 page within the website. Looking at our data, January we had 486 sessions. That is an all-time record looking back from 2020, 2019, and 2018. So that's outstanding. As you see, we're maintaining our high level of keywords, and with that comes our the high amounts of traffic in sessions. Let's take a deeper dive into that session traffic. We can look at all the contributing sources and some of the variations and changes that occurred over the last 30 days. Loaded our SEO progress report here. Keep in mind, I wanted to tell you that I delineated the 2020 and 2021 folders. You have access to that directly into this link right here. And looking at our report, as you can see, January over December, and the 486, overall 15.17% increase in the overall aggregate traffic, 11.97 increase of the organic variety, up from 284 the prior month. And then looking at everything put together, organic at the top of the list at 318, direct at 143, referral at 16, and social at 9. And then breaking out some of our pages, the homepage traditionally produces the majority of the sessions, and then looking at some of our specific content, and then some of the older blog content and service content. And then looking at our conversions. So last month we did a total of 6, and this month we did one more than that at 7. And looking at our conversion rate, very healthy at 1.44. That's about a quarter of a point higher than what we benchmark for goals given the space. Concludes our report for this month. We'd like to thank you for your attendance and participation. We also like to thank you as a client, and we look forward to helping helping you guys become more successful and having a better 2021. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.